Hi there, welcome to another product review. We're going to be doing an unboxing today, so let's check this out and see what's inside. Looks like it's taped up really well. The box looks like it's also a little damaged, so I hope the package inside is not damaged. Not sure why they put so much tape on it. Oh, wow. Okay. So this is another cat toy. That box is pretty damaged, so I'm hoping this toy is going to be okay. So it looks like the UFO box got a little bit damaged as well. So this is another interactive cat toy for your cats to play with. I like having these things because it keeps your cats busy if you've got to get some stuff done and they want to play, if you don't have kids around to play with your cats. So, looks like a UFO. It's got a little feather that peeks out. It has a USB cable on it. Okay, so that's all in the box. So, Pet Gravity. I thought this was really cute. Feather is random in and out. Bring infinite fun for cats. One button press to operate. Easy to switch. Feather speed. Auto identify day and night. Stop annoying you at night. Oh, that would be a nice. Paw to activate. Avoid obstacles. Moving rainbow lights. Stimulate the eyes or the cat's interest. USB rechargeable batteries with long standby time. Okay, so let's unbox this. Check it out. I didn't think I was going to get this for a few more days, so I wasn't really quite sure what was in this box. Oh, it's like pads, some feathers, some tweezers. Okay. Oh wow, the lights came on already. It's going off. It's tiny. I actually thought it would be bigger. Okay, so what did I touch? I must have pushed the power button. It's got little wheels. It looks like, okay, so it runs around itself. It's got Velcro pads. Oh, that might just be okay, so this might be Velcro pads just to keep it in place. Or maybe it sweeps your floor. No way! It cleans your floor? Oh, that's amazing! So, like, I guess it picks up the hair or dirt or whatever, so maybe it doesn't get on these little roller feet. Nice! Sweet! UFO. This is so cool! Pet Gravity. So it's got all these, can you see it in there? It's got all these little areas that this little fluff thing can come out. It's got, here's the little wheels. So it's got different speeds. There's the power and the way it moves, I guess. And then you can reset it if you have to. Ooh, my cat is going to love this thing. This is going to be the cat's meow. So there's the plug. Here are the little Velcro pad cleaning things, apparently. I'm pretty sure that's what that was for. So then this just goes, I'm guessing, on the bottom. I should read instructions. So then that just goes there. You don't have to probably put it on if you don't want to. Cute little packaging. Okay, so this is just an extra fluff. Oh, there's a couple of them. Maybe just in case it wears out or your cat pulls it out. Couple of fluffy things. Hi, Milo. I think he's almost tired. We were just playing with one of the laser lights, another product review I just did. You can check out that video. I'll leave it linked below if you want to see. So, if you have a product that you want me to review or check out, feel free to send it to me. My information is in the info on my channel. So yeah, I have no problem looking at your toys or reviewing your stuff to see if Milo likes it. And then some plastic tweezers, probably just to get some of the crap out of the wheels, or if something gets stuck, or maybe it's for changing the that thing when it comes out. So I'm gonna go ahead, charge this up, and then we'll play with it and see how Milo likes it. It's nice that they give these extra, there's like 5 of these little felt thingies. That's cool. Okay, I'm gonna go charge it up. So just by using the charger, and I just use my cell phone plug. Guess it plugs in right there. Okay, let's go charge it. So right now I'm also just charging one of the product reviews from Wish. I'll leave that link below as well. Okay, plug this in. Oh, check that out. Neat. Oh. That's cool. So that's what it looks like charging. That's going to be so much fun. So here's just the paper information loose. Okay, so you got to twist it to loosen to take it off. If you want to pause that and read it, you can. You're welcome to. Hi! We have to wait for your toy to charge. You can check him out on his channel as well if you haven't joined yet. His channel is called Milo's World. It's pretty much his life movie. So since he was a little baby all the way until he grows up, he's only probably about 3 months now, 3 or 4 months old. So he is growing, but he's still pretty tiny. Yeah. You want to say hi, friends? Say hi, friends. Checking out all the products that we opened up today. He likes boxes and paper, but I like getting him this kind of stuff too. This is gonna be pretty cool. I already know that he's gonna like this toy. He might be a little cautious. He'll just stand back. See, he likes boxes. That's a tiny box, and he like I said, he's not that big right now. So he's gonna be growing some more. So you can watch him. Just join his channel. It's linked down below. Hair disposal. Yeah, that's so cool. Clean your floors. That's awesome. Okay, so fully charged. So it's going to take an hour and a half to charge. So apparently, okay, so it was low power if it was red, charging like you've seen was blue, and fully charged is green. How cool is that? That's neat. Micro SD. And then this is how you use it. This is so neat. Yep, I was right. So the Velcro, you just attach that there. Just remove the hair if it gets too bunged up. So it is nice that they do have that little sponge thingy, because then it doesn't, if it rolls over any hair or anything, it doesn't bung up the wheels and gets stuck or like tangled with hair. So for speed, the high speed is red light will flash 5 times. Medium blue light will flash 5 times, and the green is low 5 times. So powering on and off is just a quick 1 press, 3-second long presses. UFO will cycle the below mode one after another. Normal mode is long press, power button 3 seconds. Orange light, I guess it's orange light, not red, is on for 5 seconds. UFO will work for 5 minutes and then stop. Long press power button 3 seconds. Blue light is on, and 5 seconds UFO will enter sleep mode. After working for 5 minutes during sleeping mode, In daylight, UFO can auto reactivate and work for 5 minutes every 4 hours itself. Cool. Or it can be reactivated and work for 2 minutes by touching. Oh, that's neat. So if we touch it or the cat touches it. Okay, so UFO cannot be reactivated in the night to avoid bothering your sleep. Long press button, 3 seconds. Purple light is on for 5 seconds and you can change the feather. Low press power button 3, UFO will enter normal mode. All right, well, we will check this out once it's charged and go through all those steps. I just think that's so cool. Well, it's fully charged. It's green now. Woohoo! So again, the low power is, I guess, orange or red color. Charging is blue and fully charged is green. So the full charge takes about an hour and a half to charge up this UFO unit. And one charge provides 50 movement cycles. So let's learn this thing. All right, so let's unplug it. Now it's off. There's no more light. It's off. Okay, so we have the pad on here, which is going to protect these little rollers from getting any hair. We can power on mode change. Okay, so there's, I guess, mode 1. Let's see if it's, okay, so that's just sitting still. Now we can do, I don't know if a long, so that's speed. So the speed increased the movement of the little feather thing coming out. And yeah, I don't know, just play with it and it changes. So the red indicates a flashing of 5 is high speed. This is slow speed. This is medium speed. And that's high speed. So I think we're going to start with slow with Milo. And then moving. So there's the moving button. So I click the moving button and this thing's whirling around. And I can change speeds. That's cool. So that's what it's going to do on your floor. Let's take this and see how Milo likes this toy.